In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Fliff to your Cash app. So first just open up your Fliff app and log in your account. Once you have logged in, all you need to do is just click on this three-line menu at the top, this three-line menu icon. So once you do that, this will show you this screen. So from here you have to click on this redeem Fliff cash option. So simply click on that, and then this will display many options that you can use to withdraw your money. So from here you have to select this instant bank transfer, and once you do that, it will ask you to register your bank or add bank account. So you can simply click on this register a new bank account button, and from here you have to select your Cash App account, and then you have to enter your Cash App routing number and the account number. And once you enter all of these details, your Cash App account will be linked here. And after this, all you need to do is just enter the amount in this box that you want to transfer or the withdraw. And after this, simply select the Cash App account that you have linked and then click on this submit button. And once you do that, this will show you this pop-up window. So from here it will show you the amount that you are withdrawing and the fee that they are going to charge. So simply double verify these details and then click on this proceed button. And once you do that, your money will be transferred from Fliff to your Cash App. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.